number no Toma number Lenge Song Ngadu Dilishu.
Well, I would like to wish everyone good morning.
아들의 가상기 최대 주합니다. 그거 대마모티를 쉬어야지.
And now I will continue from where we left off yesterday, discussing the subject of death and impermanence.
남지 참여배 수기 치와라 균세 숨지 체랑 예배 매배 치다 류래 닝부 매배 치다 치위 게마에 치 남지 참여배 치워 될라 당번에 로아시에남 링생기 미즈랑 예배 얘기야 오건 전부리 미세랑 예배 매대 최원바 줄이야 니나 망에 타마르네 로주 당부 빠바매 제송소 대야 지다랑 예배 매나 처음에 카지 응애도 치워 카지 대신까지 제베서 대신까지 고자는 대신까지 용주나 라라 게다라라 신라라 탈라바베 미림게로든 로규 대시에 숨바다 류는 닝부메바네 류들 미자에 제수 저루 마도베 닝부 사라지야메 제게도 준주래 토마르바베르마다 랑글로에 다데 샤르 베타와레 시럽전이 그도세日本人也切进刚个法大姐，你这了宁不去等一点到了这些送。七月间嘛，那那些他们七月间都没去我们的西镇的，城里了嘛，那么弄个单位去不了也没得。我就我们那个老板的三公干那天的，我是这些送。这个没当把去完了就是送的，三那个没当把的，新年个没当把的，年些个没当把的，然后旅个没当把，对了。노르세기 미동바는 지게도 주주래 예바만 못 합주도 유린 뒤수 대제게 춘부 초바 지신도 데몰라고 동버도 셰송소 대다 노르세기 추알을 미동버 마세데 니진 이거를 내버이노 대라 쳔드 내번 노르세기 시 탑주에다 송쟁이 동행 줄라 치마디 있는 인에 손도 교회는 대라 년세기 미동바는 지게도 주주래 치외 뒤라 바바는 폰을 겹수미 교시 파야마의 인두미 쾌라 겹순 교함에 제 순서 대들 인류기 치와를 메동으로 마세 딘디진이가 내베이노 대라 챈들 내바네 대남 시도 나도 팝기 도는 동해체라 치마테 남르미 민게 손도 교이노 랑 류긴 메동바네 류기 연디기 메동바다 류랑 응외베 메동바 대라 당번에 빠시 시에체야 치와메도 세신 반교야 치와를 저베 메타라 장시 마케야 샤장의 멜로디 시장의 멜로디 빼나 니마 리파던 롤 수게宣대방 손을 미니 받았다 류랑의 외부에 동반의 지게도 준주래 가만 베드바에 세다 그게 장빌 켜더민도 자지사 야나 바르메스 야나 추이나도 야나 사이 통도 바시에 송소
The uncertainty of the time of death is explained by three reasons: because the lifespan is indefinite, because the body has no essence, and because there are many causes of death. Therefore, there is no certainty of the time of death. In other realms or on other continents, lifespan is certain, but in this world, our life has no definite length, as is mentioned in the treasury of Abhidharma. Here it's indefinite, 10 years at the beginning and 10 years at the end and limitless at the beginning. Now, how is it indefinite? The verses in spoken intentionally say, some die while they're in the womb and some when they are born. Some die when they can just crawl and some when they can run. Some die old and some die young, some in the prime of life. All must die when their time comes. Saying the body is without essence means that there is no single solid substance in it, only the 36 impure components. engaging in the conduct of bodhisattvas, says, first of all, mentally separate the layers of skin, and then with a scalpel of discrimination separate the flesh from the skeletal frame. And having split open even the bones, look right down into the marrow. While examining this, ask yourself, where is the essence? Many causes of death means that there is nothing that does not contribute to the death of ourselves and others. The letter to a friend says, this life has many dangers. It is more fragile than a bubble blown by the wind. It is a great marvel to have time to live, to breathe in and out, and to wake from sleep. There are also 3 reasons why the body will be no help when death occurs. We cannot be helped by our wealth, we cannot be helped by our relatives or friends, and we cannot be helped by our bodies. We cannot be helped by our wealth. Engaging in the conduct of bodhisattvas says, although I may live happily for a long time through obtaining a great deal of material wealth, I shall go forth empty-handed and destitute, just like having been robbed by a thief. Besides not benefiting us, wealth harms us in this life and hereafter. The harm for this life comes from quarreling and fighting for wealth, and experiencing the suffering of becoming a slave to wealth, protecting it from thieves. Hereafter, we are thrown into the lower realms through the maturation of the result of these actions. We cannot be helped by our relatives or friends. It is said, when the time of death comes, your children cannot become a refuge, nor can your father, mother, or friends. There is no one in whom you can take refuge. Besides not benefiting us, relatives will harm us in this life and the hereafter. The harm for this life is the great suffering from the fear that they may die, get sick, or be defeated by others. Hereafter, we are thrown into the lower realms through the maturation of the result. We cannot be helped by our own bodies. We cannot get help from the qualities of the body, nor from the body itself. First, no matter how strong and powerful the body may be, it cannot turn back death. No matter how limber and swift, it cannot escape death. No matter how learned or eloquent we may be, we cannot escape death by debating. For example, when the sun is setting on the mountains, no one can postpone it or hold it back. The body itself cannot help. It is said, the body which is well sustained by food and clothes that are accumulated through great hardship will not accompany you, but will be eaten by birds or dogs, or cremated in a blazing fire, or will rot under the water, or will be buried under the ground.
Tendici nigar neba ino, tela tsendri neba ne lun di na mizu, ca mizu, chang mizu, tre mizu, gom mizu, gyab ki to, se ki to, jen ki to, shu ki to dungye to che la, shima lun di len yo ki ngen son to gyurwa ino, xin gyu da jawa ne, Shen Shiwa Miki Tongwa da Naya Tueba da Simla Chenpa Kuya Rama Jashi Gomba. Tela Shen Shiwa Miki Tongwa da Jana Rangi Nidula Soba Lu Ni Dob da Den, Chishin Dang da Den, Chowa Ni Dewa da Den, Chiwa Yiki Gula Mi Jeba Jik, Tirin Daba Chine Yi Dam, Lu Yi Dob Shor Ni Zubu Ya Minu, Che Yi Zha Shor De, Che Yi Zha Shor De, Wombo Zhang Me Du Song. Chowa dungye de nasara tsukta me, sukse la chokpa me, me da je kya masu, choga da rimdu kya mabe, chiwa ne she, chatab ne me, nyen ki thame ne, kor se ki thama ne, satam ki thama ne, do che na, da kya di rang xin, jen, di chue jen, di tsingi, chunyin di le man deba yin do sam, tene di uk chen, di rin pe chidara je ba, kimdir me do mi do ba je yin kyang, 다 로드 김들이 샤지게 샤마여버 마르도 쿠르다 샤르게 테네 테보 차디 로쿠르기 콘닌 친데메세 라렌 로텔은 주시 창어르체 카지는 무시 파바더지 카지는 뭐지 개와더지라 셴 카지나네 인디네 사인 디네 도이 큐에데더체베 쫄초와 게세 로테네 템바 탈기가네 다네 넘버 3주도 나도 믿어봐 통사나 다냥 알신도 삼 데네 로드 도르드 게네 뮤시과다 치다 제장라 소베 쇠바다 기류 토알라 소베 통자나 다장 알신도 삼 셴 치와 나베 퇴바다 자나 체케무 실로서암 데나 시오 로제 돌로서 퇴산 다장 알신도 삼 셴 시와 삼도다 템바 samla chambada jana rangi yuda chongda kimdu genshun rangda roba chiniji shidi tegun samla rimbur metoba daya ngarshindu sama tedarayang dole sangda jidin chimani ngondo kaung deme be sangi chile membe chime tuyana bebri she sungso midaba gombe penyuni düje tamje midaba gon chendela ngonshin doba yino shenyang tebe suyendi zunjuyi choche chadangda nyudo chene che nyambani dokgen shewa yino tamje yishin no butabaru mujige düje midaba tebe liudu shibao.
Besides not bringing benefit at the time of death, it will cause harm in this life and hereafter. The harm in this life is that the body cannot tolerate sickness, heat, cold, hunger, thirst, the fear that someone will hit or beat it, the fear that someone may kill it, the fear that someone may torture it, or the fear that someone may skin it. Hereafter, by this body's faults, we are thrown into the lower realms for the maturation of the results. Applying others' impermanence to oneself, practicing the impermanence of death by applying others' impermanence refers to observing another's death, to hearing of another's death, and to recollecting it in the mind. First, to practice the meditation on impermanence of death by observing another who is dying. For example, consider when a close relative whose body is strong, who has a very bright complexion and a positive feeling, who has no feeling of death in his mind, not at any cost. Suppose he is suddenly caught by a deadly disease. All the strength of his body is lost, and he cannot even sit up. His radiant face or complexion disappears. His face becomes colorless. His feeling is that of suffering. He cannot tolerate the sickness. He cannot endure the pain. The medicines and medical treatments have no effect. Religious rituals and ceremonies no longer help. He understands that he will die, that there is no other choice. He gathers his last friends and relatives, eats his last food, and repeats his final words. At that time, contemplate, I am also of the same essential nature, in the same condition, and have the same character. I am not beyond this reality. When his breathing has stopped, from then, no matter how lovable and important he may have been in that house from that point on, he cannot pass one day more there. He is laid down on a stretcher, bound and tied across, and the corpse carrier takes him out. Some people of his household embrace the corpse and pretend to cling to it affectionately. Others weep and pretend to be dejected. Others fall to the ground in a faint, while some other friends say that the body is earth and stone, and these actions are silly and not very meaningful. Once the corpse has been carried out of the house, and you see that it will never return to the house, then you should practice the meditation. Recollect all this, and contemplate, I am also the same essential nature, and the same condition, and have the same character. I am not beyond this reality. When his corpse is brought to the cemetery and thrown there, when it is eaten by maggots, dogs, jackals, other wild beasts, and so forth, when the bones are scattered here and there, then you will see these things. Recollect as before, contemplating that I am also of the same nature, and so forth. Practice the impermanence of death by hearing that others have died. When you hear that someone has died or that there is a corpse, recollect the impermanence of death as before by contemplating that I am also the same nature, and so forth. Practice the impermanence of death by recollecting the others who have died. Recollect the dead, young or old, who have accompanied you in your country, town, or home. Recollect this as before by contemplating that before too long I will also be of the same nature, and so forth. It says in a sutra, since it is uncertain which will come earlier, tomorrow or the world hereafter, then without making effort for tomorrow, one should get ready for the hereafter. The beneficial effects of this meditation. Awareness of the impermanence of all composite phenomena leads one to release attachment to this life. Further, it nourishes faith, supports perseverance, and quickly frees one from attachment and hatred. It becomes a cause for the realization of the equal nature of all phenomena. This is the fourth chapter dealing with the impermanence of all composite phenomena from the jewel ornament of liberation, the wish-fulfilling gem of the noble teachings.
Tadi shungdi kalaya chiwa guru tembe kalaya jigya mitongbar chigade jigya mitongbar chische mambo sungyo are tadi mitongba sadilaya targen pe mambo chignalo satawta tan tong asa tong sti are jigya mitongba sa khodyon kharresana jigya pen dobro mingirwa jigya mibemba shebe tundaji kuyuebe inbre. Dine indusang une shebe dandela kajik sena. Pawasata da ta nan tonga tong ji jana. Yabu yore sar deji shin yong do. Sheza dati daji 바지 지시로 지입니다. 다지 체과 루지레샤 다데네 들려야 준죽 롱지타 년시 이미 동바 사들려 준죽 롱지타 7회 뒤에 봐봐 봐봐나 분은 접수미 파다마 인님이 켈 접수 좋아 메사 이나디 준죽 나라 유메 대숨랜도 그래서 디 파지 체도 좀 총기 롱지 인서레스 단 디서트인데 망고요 안돼 알바나 군제 롱제람 좀그 롱신 주둥그낭 야 차샤 롱카셰 롱궁 추데는데 가셔도스 근데 용데 있어 나무 개버침부터 상으로 투토리아 교육의 인상 근데 토네 참사양 거지 가지고 데스지 축으로 왔는데 내가 용디 알았어. 되고 논주노노 가교스게 처음 다가가다 투토리 유치. 딱 알아도 자지 베저다 되고 그러면 롱 상마 투토리 유치. 근데 토네 참사出시를 찬다. 근데 용디 알았어. 다들 땡땡이야 말 준주는 예매지 다시 샤워. 7회 뒤에 봐봐나 사디. 쇼로가 찍기.
In the Tibetan text here, there is a phrase that that keeps on repeating that one cannot help death, or one cannot benefit at death, at the time of death, and there is disagreement over the proper spelling of the Tibetan. This is in the passage of "We cannot get help from the qualities of the body or the body itself. It cannot turn back death. It cannot escape death," and so forth. And the meaning of this passage is that it cannot help us at the time of death. Likewise, there is also a citation that is credited to the way of the Bodhisattva. This is the citation: "When the time of death comes, your children cannot become a refuge, nor can your father, mother, or friends. There is no one in whom you can take refuge." But it seems that this is actually not a quotation from the way of the Bodhisattva, but from the Udanavarga. And this is just something that happens in the old texts. So, for example, in the treasuries of the omniscient Longchen Rabjampa, there are many citations that are improperly attributed. And this is because all the great masters in olden times would recite quotations from memory. And when reciting from memory, of course, then sometimes you get mixed up about where the source is from. It is not a particular fault here, it is just a question that they were reciting from memory. So in any case, this one shloka is, or this one verse is not from the way of the Bodhisattva.
We need to check.
And so we need to check these carefully.
루기미 동에 걸려야 양춘주기 쇼로가지 까마버주에 세다 그이 장미 루이사 다디 쇼로가 쇼로가 찍다 체인다 다들 정대로 대양 준주 나로래 측디 지마시신지 민도스 대다 찬다와진도스 드린 따진 유르기 개발인다 간데이 다신 제고도 근데 지금다
There is also another verse here from the way of the Bodhisattva that is not quoted exactly the same as it appears in the way of the Bodhisattva. Now, we need to examine why this is. Perhaps it is a different translation.
다트네 디워 질이야 드네 신의기다는 류기 톱쇼네 주부야 미니 제게 따셔는 원부 장매도 송사야 원부 장매도 송사야데 드네 개박하지기사나 원부 장매도 송사야데 원부디 아나로 원나원 드디지 죄비나 안에 가서 구주를 아무도스타 원보스 나와 원보 돈을 짜면 드디지 야나니 디 구주신다지 지랑게 원부사지 신지어라 원부사지 디나 다 아주 우마 우무스 저거 말도 안으로 오마 오무사지 요마네 원부사 신지어라 아 대단 저거 예비나 다 간다야 대래야 다시 제과지어라
There is also a passage in the section on applying others' impermanence to oneself that reads, his radiant face or complexion disappears, his face becomes colorless when contemplating someone who is passing away. In here it says literally in some Tibetan editions that his faculties lose qualities, but this is difficult to understand. Some people read this text in various different ways, and so this is another passage that needs to be examined.
다 간단 이 소로든지 지 도바에 대해서 지시 예대에 상으로 아니 달로 말다 니도 정한력이 니도 주실래 다 달력이 그听접게베 걸려 되네 미세게 담주 이신이도 타바를 붙이 얘기 토량 줄링체는 저다 최기 동시 동주 다디 토량 줄링체하기 그것이 예외 인두산에 아니 제시라하 겸보레 롬녀레 참여는 다다네 엔디솔레베 다지 심주를 제체 수수기 sem 돌리 다네베 가수레 일샤네 심주 체네 딱 한다야 니디 다보를 미치기 럼림디 까먹고 유자마이바 다부그 유지기 다 파노르를 차대야래 제가 닐라 젠든 차다 닐라 체니 야천버지 영과디 개주시 차대도 안드레인 주산에네 다다버도 그 유나를 답에 타겐라 체니 쇼쯤시다 자 룩스드시다 메댕게 그래서 어디가래 마음벌레디 토래야 마타야 가르레 공부수수 나로라 지세다 수수 공부수수 나로르지 로르 지 팅지로 로도버도 이제 충분히네 아위 길에 삼정게 네 고대 세위입니다 답을 타겐이야 제바지 도스 제바 부디 전부 도사 이제 고스 다들이 제주 최신바도시 아니 기술들이 제위입니다 아주 지금 자 노로든데 예비나 대솔이야 정도 줘야 펜도 전부시다 용그래서 정리
And so thus there are several areas that need to be examined in this chapter. At the end of 2014, during the 18th Kaju Gunshe, there will be a special conference that will be focusing on the jewel ornament of liberation, and it will primarily cover it in terms of the 6 major topics in the summary. During this conference, the Kempos and students from different shudders will research and examine the text carefully, examine the text carefully to help look critically at the actual text. And so I think that if we do this, it will be something that will be very beneficial. In general, this text by Gampopa, his Stages of the Path, it's really like a general, it's a jewel for all of the Kagyu tradition, not just for the Karma Kagyu. And so it is important for us to value it and to teach and study this text. Up to now, we have really not had much of a tradition of teaching or studying this text, and so that I hope that in the future, at the very least, in the different shedras and different monasteries, they will be able to cover it at least once per year. Now, it's my understanding that there may well be an extensive commentary about the jewel ornament of liberation. So we are looking for that and searching for it. And if there is such a commentary, then that will help us correct any of the typographical errors or mistake, and will help us be of a great benefit in improving our understanding.
다드네 야미세 드제 룰링 아주 딱지 십주체는 룰링 주베 젤리아 아주 여기다 타겐기 빼면저도 봐 두르체 되네 타겐기 빼면저도 두르네 답배 타고는 되네 지금 아주 휴다 tilchimaro 당시 되지기 다 비수 팁수로 버준지 제토나 야고도스 게젠도스 근데 소년들이 어디도 드린주산에 다디 아주 드링 이 뷰제라 대바 야고 총소나 안디기 드링 따지 체베 주된 대솔이야 댄체 안 타겐기 다 비수 팁수로 가르된도이네 대전도나 야고도스도 수야이 다나 신기 타겐디 인지게다 야게 털이야 단 민저 망고 총도 다 디수임이네야 다디 가시 그런 마베 비 고란 나로야 노로 망고 쉐비 뉴산 디기 텔레덴베 안 뉴르디수임이네 논주르 유기레 제자 디술레 망고발야 규제 체 도와데 계정을 좀 해서 정기
And so in the conference, as part of the discussions, we will be doing a lot of research and a lot of analysis of the text. And I think that it would be good to take the results of that and then compare the different editions that are available of it, and then come up with a critical edition of the Jewel Ornament of Liberation that we could publish either as the traditional Pecha format or as a book. If we can publish this critical edition, then I think it would be very good and very helpful. And so, if the research and our conference turn out to be very good and beneficial, then we can take the results of this and use this as the basis for a new critical edition. In additionally, the Jewel Ornament of Liberation has been translated several times. There are several editions, both in English and in Chinese. And some of these editions have used original Tibetan texts that have mistakes in them. And because of this, there are also mistakes that have then also crept into the translations. And so therefore, I think that in the future, it would be good to revise the translations as well.
다드네 다 치워입니다 왜 꼬르들이야 다 니나 거지 뭐 가르쳐 니나 만두 바지 쉬어야 말라다 니나 냠랜드 상으로 상마 지 가르쳐 오늘 마 좀바비기 지 투규래 텐데다 미다베 냠래 예베 다 에너지 냠뇽 예베 지 토네 마 송샤 인두사네 에너지 미다베 냠래 카메바 다더위기 게베 파르도 지 미다베 고르셰데바다 저그마래 고르 지금 뉴번 저그마래 손안 저그마래 아드린 두산다 게 미센디 토레 슈저스 케민도 다 이미네야 다 지단 가상 슈슈르제 대안은 제름 붙이게 남주 나눠래야 제정갑에 남주 나눠라 텐저니가 셀라 롱메 바야 삼비 첸디 나시에 도사지 아드린도 다 첸디 나시에 도벌래야 에 텐저니가 다 에 지워입니다 봐 냠레자데 개심으로스 센디난기 셈아도야 안데도 개심으로스 송바나신 디쇼들이미냐 뒤제 담집니다 버 코네 센디를 응신다고 이노스 디 쇼데스 디 타볼라지르니기야 데 송도 안데 인두산에 센딜레시나 쳐버미스 사제베 얍체 셴바 시대가 나로래 다들 아주 셴바 시대가 나로데 송요아래 아드린 주자는 첸디랑 셴바 도야래야 엔 대전이가 추합니다 대주 냠랭 과야데 계셔버렸어 대주 시설했어 아드린
Now, in this text, there is really nothing about the subject of death and impermanence that is not included here. And so this comes from the entire practice. The author of the text himself had really developed the understanding or the experience of realization within himself, and he taught it on the basis of his experience. And so for someone such as myself, who has had no experience of impermanence from the time of birth up till now, it is difficult to explain it and to have the same feeling behind my words. And so for that reason, I really do not have that much else to say. In any case, it is as Lord Tsongkhapa said in his three principal aspects of the path, that it is the meditation on the precious human birth and death and impermanence that reverses attachment to this life. In any case, if we want to reverse or stop the attachment to this life, then it is important to meditate upon the precious human birth and upon the death and impermanence. And by doing this, we can reduce all our fixations and attachments on this life. It's as it is said here: awareness of the impermanence of all composite phenomena leads one to release attachment to this life. This is also something that is said in the teachings on the four freedoms from attachment of the Sakya lineage, where it says that if you are attached to this life, you are not a Dharma practitioner. And so in order for us to stop our attachment to this life, it is important for us to practice the contemplations on the precious human birth and on death and impermanence. These are like the foundations.
다 되려야 이제 다 챈들레시는 처음 요이 군전으로 조대 가라서나 최사디 내가 그 팬바다 터두기 때와 니예변난 터두기 때와 조셔와자 터두기 때와 진주다 든지지기 탑름지 차대요. 근데 차대에 인주산에 꼭 포기하는 뮤기 chen di zamay pugyang rinbyugi chen pugyang rinbyugi samdwa lad niji yuram ruchari andane indu sane anita chen dile jibu samgyanga da chen dile shene chen digi nyuma kyangala samdan di shebi mina ana maji chö ruwas ke ma ora chen din nyuma di chen digi jidengi tholom ande zul dene ko kala ga judu mi andane indu sana chö shegwa andane mi indu sa di yun zen dene ana go ka shura da ji nam yu chö de si sa de 개발시 두산에 최사디 지 마타양 지 가서 스럽치마 편지 된저게 다 되는 돼 삼다지 된저지 그래 시스다 시들의 열도 니르시 시 야가 되지 부가를 뭐 미럽니 미럽 롱어 야차 동차 된저게 samlo tangne ji gego de phugi den kan de jo me telya samdane ho si yar jo si doga de sol ta de ji kepsang ji dawa khashi yana lo khashi 진짜 기 kepsang bashi samdone yaji adneyon ne yin dusanga dona dana chöse dusan dona chöse dusana 부갸rin 벽이 내가 이 팬벌레 털도기 대화래야 즉수체 대자치로 지지 진짜지 체도 지 가서에 매주차지가 진짜지 주베 다 털림질이야 최사도 진짜지 그래 드레 인두산다디 가서에 드레미 인두산에 천디 지부를 해야 되나 아니 최 미유가 디 미유의 퉁금에 인두산에 미유 마ten 비미나 안 탑람디 가수 냠스 레만에는 시다 메딩 사디 오레스 네 다디 센데신 차와메스
And so when we say, if you are attached to this life, you are not a Dharma practitioner, the primary reason for saying this is that in the Dharma we talk about temporary benefit and the ultimate happiness. And of the two of these, the ultimate happiness is what is primary. And so when we are thinking about the ultimate, it's the ultimate happiness and its methods that are primary. And so in the Dharma, we are really considering things with a very long view, a very long perspective. And so if we are instead only thinking about this life, or only attached to this life, or only striving for the purposes of this life, then we really will not be able to practice the Dharma. Because if we're thinking about just about this life and about worldly things in this life, there are many different things we can do, methods we can use, and in some way something is going to work out. And there's really actually no particular need for the Dharma at all. And so for this reason, when we talk about in the Dharma, when we talk about Dharma and worldly affairs, or Dharma and politics, we make the distinction based on this. When we're practicing the Dharma, we're thinking about the next life and future lives at a minimum, and so. But when we think about politics, there is good politics and there is bad politics. The good politics is taking the long view. It is taking the view of how to benefit your country or your place for generation to generation for hundreds or thousands of years. And so that is taking a long view about the aims and the benefits to the country. But there is also a negative politics. And the negative politics is when we're thinking about the profit now, profit in the next few months or for the few years, and that is all that is considered. And so when we're doing the when we're practicing the Dharma, then we're primarily working for the ultimate happiness. Between the temporary benefits and ultimate happiness, we differentiate between these two. And because of that, we make our efforts towards the ultimate happiness. We use the methods for the ultimate happiness, and that is the Dharma. And so, in that way, if we are only attached to this life, then this doesn't really mesh with the aims of the Dharma. And so, using methods for the practice of this life aren't really the Dharma. And so, this is really how we should understand the statement that if you are attached to this life, you are not a Dharma practitioner.
다다 보시는 다와도 진상 여기 시물의 양에 세토시 민나게 아브라가 자와르니 시물의 양 시물의 자와르니 뼈 시물 나는 제 consumerism 在这边人路他加给了消费主义什么消费主义他的这几个就是来的啊你对不对呀我们当时尿能行他三路说说了呀我那场呢光和月吧的科学月吧是也不都个吧是没3年的马当玩엔진 되베 제수다 되베 제수 장선을 장도 야나 지 가수에 지 하나 캡자다
Nowadays, in the 21st century, material development of external material things has reached a very high level, and so everyone places their hopes on external things. They hope for external things, they place their hopes on them, and you could say that we have reached an age of consumerism, a materialist age of consumerism. And so we are at a time now where people are no longer able to, they do not think about whether they actually need the things that they want. And so people tend to just follow after their desires or after advertisements.
TV somewhere. Nintinan Devi Nanda Dana Singi Lam Singi Lamsur Yen Devi Nanda Dana Singi Rilim Babzodan Basik Babzodan Del Devi Nanda Hawaii ne Ji Kabda Dabnamang was Jache the Degatone Kandar Jizogi Sebe Da 가르래 왜 니즈 주마 사마르 왜 니즈 다고 임베질이야 주마 인데버지 다 간다 디디시 쇠제 다 저랑 디고아레 스페라 자라 디디디 뇨르 디마녀네 저랑데 가르래 에 차마상아르지 저랑 미지디 기부요 마르스 지미진 디뇨르 비뇨르스 안데 나 베나 포몬도 지미나 almost done this go and this chogo very chogores and dim majuna and karshwe jura mizitsa sar sar ad degi ko karshwe ji kabra jizo sebe ngoni zuma sedda ngoni zu imba dabachilya tön zuma indeba ad de bangoji 연구협의 인두산은 몇 상황으로 뇨는시 쇠사도 뇨번는시 쇠산 드레 인두산에 징뇨 피리뇨 드레 인두산 때디 고무고산 누규디 아주 상황 누교 데발타 이나 고주든 누규디 야와 마세브세 아니 고브 데바 상황 고댕에르지 다들 루지 차디요래 나들이 유산 디 균세된 제그 줄레 유산 안수지 가셔야 삼론 낸된산 뜬거 봐. 아들이 디 균거리야 아주 텐저니가 치워입니다 봐. 사드즈기 닝부 난데 닝부드소 냠슬레 토베입니다. 난 다대기 지조디 트레리아 덴덴지 지조디지 신점용아를 지다. 지조된 가수래지 오늘 가수래다 딱 한다 전부리 지조한들이야 근데 진짜게 냠낸 거아데 계속 무슨 차대 아래 삼정기에
If you watch TV or if you just look by to the either side of the main roads or intersections, if you go to a train station, a bus stop, or anywhere you go, you see many advertisements. And what's happened is that we have a state of affairs in our society it's really societally produced, and it's like an artificial nature of things, a fake nature of things. And we think, oh, I need this, I must have that, you must buy that. If you don't buy this, the advertisement tells us, if you don't buy this, your life will be incomplete, you will never find happiness in life. And so, for this reason, we feel like we have to buy many things. Especially for women, there are so many creams and things and salves and things that you need to apply and put this on. And if you don't wear all these things, then your life is over. And so we see all these things in advertisement. It's like these are imposed upon us by some society. It's like a nature of things that's artificial and made up and false. And in a way, it drives all of us, everyone in society, crazy. We think, I've got to buy this, I've got to buy that. We have to buy one thing after another. And so we want everything because our desires, of course, have no limits. Actually, we are not distinguishing what we need from what we want. And we think that everything that we want is also necessary for us. And so when we have come to a time such as this, when most of us think in this way, if we are able to really practice the essential points of the meditations on the precious human life that is difficult to obtain, and death and impermanence, then this is something that will definitely help bring peace and harmony within our society. And so I think that the practice of this is really extremely important to the world in general.
아르베 게고기 원진바 게고기 원진진이 미드즈미냐 프랑스 election 또베나 쇼르 두에콜이야 프랑스 케넨 슈체제 다다지 다대기 초답 living style 즉 초답 니데디 무튀니 지금 미럽리야 니데제제 소화계단 니데지 토안에 무튀니 로토 치타간다 다대기 comfort sommar다지 미제 디기도데 그래서 미럽리야 론주기요 지금 이제 캐쳐볼래 우리 전부 딱 깨지 전부시 내체 다나 신기 미마성입니다. 어디다 든지기 간다르티 다대기 초등 느리지 토안에 미럽리 봐 가르래 느리지 좋아해 인사로 느리지 고수기 로데 이제를 든지죠 느리지 참섬 지게겁들이야 준비지 벤조르기 베너지 참섬 지 놈공화처 친사로다 든데 내주지 세르콘 든데 내주 준비거리야 아니 미마스 컨트롤랑 코로나가 만나 게게점이다 데 게잡 안주고셔 담을 치거래 뭐 니주 토할 제비미나 지기진 고요되었다 아 가르스나 초답 니지 토 다대기 뒤름니 쩌지비 나로래 아 소화계다 니지기 토하네 무튼이 심비나 용아 매비지입니다 고 진리 토하네 다시 심주를 제는산 하고 아주 늦지. 미즈디 늦지 겐 치미미나. 소화계란 늦지 토는 제 치미나. 가서 컨슈머리즘 som으로 제주기로 늦지 토네. 아니 소화도 게 치미나. 용답이었지. 가래서 저블링기 딱 안들 로미 론치자. 자식 구주 구구 세나라도 자식 다 맞지 자식 자탐 세나라도 다디 정중기 통공을 되는데요. 정중기 통공인데 세시 예배지. 아주 로미기 정함나 세시 요만. 드레 뉴스안에 좀부린데 숨시 예배이네요. 안 당사 말에 쓰제. 근데 기베 끼죠 다대상. 로지지 걸리걸 좋아도도 나를 하고지 아주 배주 롱시비지 제샤윈 가르 예버드 상마 롱오지 문데메 미리 저기 예버텔리아바 가수르지 르중치 스사치 촉시지 드리지는 미스 개버 다들 뒤주 가르서나 강 예버드 상로 아뜨 땡규 오규 가지에는 상마 뜨 가르치 상로 다 상마베 롱지 드리지기 전에 미스 개인 주사나 아니 용타 매버지마 다 하고요 단도인에 답이지 가르에 걔가 원진부 디즈이메 계시지잖아 아다 나다요 말 디셈바 기부지 셈 되어지 돼서 내 쿠란즈 미만즈 사면나로 아다 되는 신이 삼 되게 토한 딱 한다라 지금 고요 사난다도 artificial 가서다지 artificial reality 사마로 다 artificial reality 데 별게 나가는 게 없다. artificial reality 데 드로다베기 뭐 내주사마 드로다베기 뭐 내주사마 가서다 구주 데마르 제 당원에 제 구주 데마르 다 드네 뉴스안에 데마니 뭐야 구주이 마사지 같이 지시어다 구주 데마스 군주니 인데게 덴바니 인데게 디소를 딱 간다 군주 덴바 다 드리지 수야지 다 되게 고고로 좀 고로 거시 두 스테게 아래 안다도 가수에 어다 드리미 뉴스안에 아다 그냥 심제 맞으스 벤 눔디 상월로 아다다디 눔디소 아니베 조소 말았다 특시 신다 페이지에 눔되네 가시에 벤 자주 난기 나로를 저리 전부들이 딘주나 놈이야세 디주 놈들서 아주 특히 신다 배주다가는 배 놈들이 인사로다데 단 미스 딱하다 드립 제 뉴스안에 단 도나 신나 사오르세 다 드리지 그 도안에 구주 덴바사란다 우유니 주머로 드리지래야 그 고고제 돼
And so in this consumerist, in our consumerist societies, the leaders of the countries, the political leaders of countries, when it's time for elections, they make all sorts of promises. They say, oh, this lifestyle that we're experiencing now, this is something that will be able to continue from generation to generation. And we think that our current way of life is something that will be able to go for a long time. And so everyone believes them. The political leaders make great promises. They say great things, and then everyone, all the public, all believes. Oh, this lifestyle is something that's going to be able to go it's going to be able to last from generation to generation. And then when there is some small economic problem that hits a country, then such as the oil price rises or the price of gold rises, then the public gets really angry about it and they protest and there's a lot of conflict about it. Actually, this is the way things really are. When we take a look at our 21st lifestyle, and if we think that it could continue, actually there's no way it could really be sustained into the future. When scientists examine this, they see if we continue to lead such a lifestyle, such a consumerist way of life, there is no way that the earth could support it. And the reason is because everything that people use, you could say 90%, 99%, or even 100% of everything that we use comes from the natural world. And that natural world, the natural resources have a limit, whereas human desire has no limits. And so even if we had 3 or 4 earths, it would still not suffice. And so we are using everything up. We are taking everything out of the environment. In the ancient traditional ways of life, we protected the environment, preserved the resources, but now we don't do that. We actually extract everything. We want everything in order to be able to maintain, to use them, to maintain our lifestyle. And there is no way that we could do this. There is no way that we can maintain our current lifestyle. And yet the political leaders say to us, oh, you don't need to worry about anything, we'll figure it out. And the public believes them, and so everyone has fooled each other. It's like we have this artificial reality, this artificial way, this sort of imagined way things are. We could say that this is the relative truth. And so in some way, it's the relative truth or the concealing, the fictitious truth. It's like, it's fictitious, but it's also truth. And so we are all fooled by this. And so in this way, when we say that we might get worried, oh, there's no more oil. We need oil to sustain our lifestyle, and yet the oil seems to be running out. And then the politicians and people say, oh, you don't need to worry about that. We'll find new techniques of drilling, new ways to place. We'll be able to go out and drill oil from the continental shelves and the oceans and so forth. And so in this, it keeps going on like this. And actually, this is a really very scary situation. We have all been fooled by the relative truth, by the artificial reality.
Modern milinga na joras. Pepe milin to na jeo kichare. Pepe miril modern day and desert. Takandra milin to sadi, pepe milin to sadi. Tendenji mindo tap two machines and milinga down. 다 청중 가시에 리시에 소스도 마도 차장으로 좀 매매 소스도 간다르 드리시엔 다 간다르 점불링기 뷰리 상만 dom나서 걸다 마도 별이 연기 배바지고 dom나 밀린 조승만 밀린 가스마도 싫어 다 간다르 드리시엔에 어들이 모다 마로 좋아하래 모다 만도 주사 모다 당분 유디산에 미게르 소스 당와체는 요거래 뇨만 요사 소스 타진 이베네 따사니 모던 로고 주나 미탐지 드스 갱감 탐지 드스 뭐 랑가디간 로고로 마다 지금 미게스소 랑가리요마 안드니 주스타네 다 갱감 탐지 드스 랑가디간 로연디 에리 지기지니 산 상물로 된간 로도 드니 주스타네 미게스소 그 당와디 지조디기 당와 지조디기 가서 초이스 당와로 지샤로 the dream in Dusana, did you send then a modern Yusa Karjan Yoris? Karjan Moraman with the Sharas. Yumzishda, Yoman Dakashi Karasanda, Suzuki, Tomakinze, and Degi, Morashin Yavinza, Nieji New House. That in this house of Takanda, Tinsan Kaju, Tab Debotan, Le Labotang, Tene Karsati, Jindurudang. That day torn Junze, she hopped the Denan Junze de Sor. Only Chenan Junze made the Gesur. That day torn Kadra Mambochitus, Karshway, Nyodigare. What is the teasers, Tikara couch? That is some moral couch. Moral Minjos are some sort. 아니 뭐라로서도 단도베 랑 삼바로 마보서도 다지 삼바지 겹디 라마게 삼바니 겹 아바 삼바 가르 토잔 니 삼바 니슈스 겹샤네 제마 라케 삼바르스서 다들 네즈르 차디요레 근데 인두산에 다되고 아나주 셈데베 왕도 친선한 단도 컨슈머리즘 되게 가다 리저브 서머베 춤제선한 단도 그런 디브르 지레 제제르루 제빈 디브루시 대인주사네 디브탈 대비나 하는 가수 신화 차오르시 삼는 내내 땅 거야 그렇지 딘디르 차디어레스
I have said this before, but it's worth saying again. In Delhi, there are many cars, as all of you know. There are 5 million cars. Actually, there are 5 million. There are 5 million Tibetans or so. Maybe we should give each Tibetan a car, or maybe we say there are 6 million Tibetans in the world, but it's not definite that there are actually 6 million Tibetan. There are almost 6 million, perhaps. There are 5 million and a few hundred thousand, not quite 6 million. In any case, if we were going to count it as 6 million, we'd have to include all of the Tibetans in exile or in other countries as well. In Tibet alone, there are around 5 million. In any case, there are more and more cars in Delhi. And at first, it's an individual choice to buy a car. A person wants to buy the car. It's the individual choice to buy it. And yet, when we want to go on the roads, these roads are not our own private roads. These are government roads. And so, because of they're all government roads, and people don't have their own. Because these are public roads, then people don't have the choice to go on their own private roads. And so they go on public roads, and there's one car and another car, and then everyone is blocking everyone, and you can't go anywhere. And so when we buy the car, then that is a private choice, and yet later it ends up becoming a societal choice as well. And so why is it that we would buy a car? Why do we think we need a car? And actually when we examine it, we see that there are generally not too many reasons to actually buy a car. Generally, we see, my neighbors have cars, my friends have cars, and so I want to buy cars as well. And so now there are so many now, but if we look at it and we see it, there's actually not much reason to buy it. It's just wanting to be competitive or to keep up with the friends. And so there's no particular reason for us to buy the cars, and yet many people buy the cars anyways. And so this makes a very difficult situation in society. There are too many cars, and so they build an overpass for the cars, or I should say flyover here, I suppose. They build a flyover for the cars to go on, and that's not enough, so you build another flyover. Then you build a third or a fourth flyover. And then if you build 20 of them, it's still not enough. And the reason is that our minds are really overcome by our desires, and we do not think clearly enough about what we need about the results of this. This is a result of our consumerist society. And if we look at this result, then it actually is a fairly scary situation that we need to consider carefully.
that understand that today Nedian Richard you that Nedian can Jigarre Deliam Azuki needs you the information somewhere. That woman needs you hammer or inza take it on how 하고 된도 먼저면 인자데这个团呢아니 논주 충분해서 아주 계셔 대상 접리 털 하고 된도 맞좀 살시라 시하면 다지 수수 가르쳐 도나체도나 니주 과이네 니주 망차 매나마도 용차요 자게티주 나놀이야 니주 상문人民 상물로 수수에기 수십치 아야 돼요 근데 내가团呢 니주 가르쳐다 information 세버에 니즈기 가르쳐봐 마 니주 내단으로 가르쳐야 돼 마시에 봐도 마고에 토네 엔디 강에 차세요 말이죠 배나 아주 타마해야 돼 타마 걸드는 베지 교유 망고시에 로망고치미레스 신다 셴파샤는 타마 감코랑 강리야 아니 되네 타마한테 통나 되네 베 교란 연가 수거레스 바 디저스 타마한테 통나 되네 차로를 비디 차로레스 가시 참사 가시 빠르자셔스 디테나 되네 차로레스 타마 코랑 강 이네야 딱고 텐션 모든 다들 가라서 니주디 마시에바 마고 마도베 다라 레레 따로 샤면 되지 다 가르쳐버렸으나 조도 소수기 자외 굴론선한다도 자외기 누바 굴론 체조 다 들려야 요아 마타미 마데베 인두스탄에 니주 가서에네 팽거 나제 인두스탄에 디균선 때네 가지고 굴론을 요아도 자외 가지고 삼동단이야 요아도 다디 계주 차디야 제산디 아니 대조니가 치와미다 버사도 상물로 따로도 넘시 지당로도 넘시 디나네 대조니가 치와미다 버사도 상물로 안지 소수기 시제기 삼로 동자당 다다나야 요아도 아디 다 계주 시라샤디 어렸음
And this is a situation that does not come about from a lack of information. In the past, you could say, oh, people didn't have information, they couldn't find things, and because they didn't know things, they were mistaken. But you can't say that anymore. We can get all the information we want. We can look up anything we want on the internet, and there's more information than we possibly need. So there's really just too much information these days, and our difficulties do not come about from not knowing information. For example, you can think about smoking. With smoking, everyone knows that it's bad for you. We all know that it's injurious to your health. And if you look at the cigarette boxes, there are warning labels on the cigarette boxes that say, this is a danger to your health. Some of them even have pictures showing the dire consequences. If you smoke, this terrible disease is going to happen to you. And yet still people smoke. And the reason is not that people don't know, they don't understand, or they don't realize it. And so what is the reason? Well, the reason is that they haven't really changed their fundamental motivation, their fundamental wishes or interests. It's not so this is a question where no matter how much information you have, it really does not help. And so we need to transform our motivations, our fundamental motivations. And so for that, we need to consider the precious human life and death and impermanence. Actually, it's all of the four thoughts that turn the mind, but it's in particular the precious human life and death and impermanence. And so by contemplating these, it's important for us to change the way that we think of things.
다 들으면 저지고 마무시다 마시 처음에는 다 되네 미다베 고르시 주산다 미다베 고들이야 가상 쉬는 시에 의중 기부 탐바 탐지 기강 미다베 투규고에 천대 뢰당 주벌 님부르제네 등이 다르신 분이 안에
So it's not too necessary to say that much about the 21st century. So returning to the topic of impermanence, as I said yesterday, all of the great beings of the past, by contemplating impermanence, they have given up their desires for this life. They have strived at their practice and come to the perfection of the two benefits.
군세 숨스 가담 군세 숨스 다 숨에 나네 롱메 툴을 충비 뻗어와서 보도와도 미다베 냠네 시부지에도 늦지기 딱 가다면 계획신이 전부 차대요. 군제 숨스도 산다디 빈자이 미기스만다. 빈자를 잘하는데 야다고.
In the Kadampa lineage, there are three masters, three great masters of the Kadampa lineage, known as the you could say the brothers of the Kadampa, although they're not actually relatives. And one of them is Potoa, who really meditated very strongly on impermanence and became a great Kadampa master.
보도에게 공취是다 공다 최송배 걸이야. 저 공다 최송은 최송 차에 제래야 다 도공공다 마시비나 아니 선이 최 최초레스 나이네 도공공다 간데 차로와서네 딘데체네 가수에다지 송교하레스
Potoa would give evening Dharma talks, and when he finished the talks, he said, "If I do not die tonight, then we can have another Dharma talk tomorrow. But who really knows what's going to happen tonight?"
미지기 보도와리야 강변낭지 까와도 교교차도 있어와 까와 교교차도 제가 까와도 제고사레스 슈베레스 어당 아주 그 재미상스 그 아주 재미아니가래 아주 그 지주서로 그 아주 재미아니가 그래서 다 간다 드린두산에 아주 그 맞이고는 그 아주 재미로 아니가 그래서 다 간다 그 접지 맞이고는 아주 싫어 아니가 그래서 되는 손 드린두산 근데 샤부 찍으면 슈롱매바 고네 근데 추합니다. 특유를 준비하고 최신, 뉴화신, 덴베덴바, 네 세월을 잡아 든지 충분히. 미지가 가와도 교교차도 있어. 다들이 네 가와도 제고사를 네 냥한테가 교교차도 네가 알아.
And so there was a person, and in Poto's house there was a pillar that had become crooked, and this person said that we needed to fix the pillar, and Potoa said, "We need to fix the pillar. If we don't fix the pillar, then there's the danger that the pillar is going to fix us, and so we have to prepare for that." And so basically he's saying that he doesn't have any. No.
Someone says we need to change the pillar. Then he answered.
Oh, someone said to him, okay, well, His Holiness just translated it for us. We need to fix the pillar, or we need to replace that pillar. And then Potoa said, well, then there's the danger that the pillar will replace us. No?
It's before we change the pillar. Pillar will change us. It's kind of this thing. Pillar will change us. That means that before we change the pillar, we will die before change the pillar. It's difficult to say.
I think maybe it's clear now.
Okay. Doesn't matter.
And so in any case, Potoa was someone who did not make plans for even one day. He contemplated impermanence, and because of that, he was able to practice the Dharma as taught in the Dharma and Vinaya.
드니 카라고 준살 드니 저기 주도 전부 총무이브네. 그 간증 중에야 做个研究的，那位研究员是，做个研究就不知道，那位研究员是，那位研究呢？呢，记得卡拉古中意思，记得就是米来那位意思，啊，这里送过来，这这个当初都全部说明了。
There was also a great master in Tibet named Karap Gomchum. And actually in Tibet we talk about there being two crown ornaments and
one crown and ornament.
One crown ornament and and two ear ornaments of the ears. And one of these ornaments of the ears was Karab Gomchum, and another was the Lord Milarepa. So in any case, he was a great accomplished master.
Kara Gomchunde Loma leaf Loma Junse Jilia Dene Choa Loma Junse Jil Dene using Bupado Jubanyamlin Zen Shubres. Leaf.
And so Karab Gomchung is someone who was able to do practice for a very long...
Not able. He did able. Okay.
He practiced for a very long time, subsisting just on leaves.
But you must be cha zonggeji, letters, cha zonggeji lene, and Karagum Tebagen, cha Pugjunser, cha Pugjunser, cha Tushi, Tushi, cha, let Tushi, Tindiji, Pune, Puris, Pudusan, all that they show soon. Tagi, that Korang Purity, and they live it there, like this one, and a tag, Zadelia, and Shasha.
And so one day there was a tea merchant who came along and saw Karab Gomchung and felt great faith for him and decided that he was going to offer him a brick of tea, tea leaves compressed into a brick. And he offered him the tea, and Karab Gomchung said, okay, you just leave this over here by the base of this cliff.
Okay. That Losum Shibu Song Jelea, the Nea Cha Zongendi, Yangar Chap Jung, Tele Cheji Kune, Karagumjunglia, Buga Chimbre, Bugan Uma Pusha with Chadi, Tela Chui, Pia Shashers, Kasanguma Shastil, Uma Losum Yen Shastaran Shashers.
After 3 whole years, the tea seller came back, bringing an even bigger brick of tea to give to Karab Gomchung. And when he got there, he saw that the brick that he had given him before was still sitting in the same place, but covered with a bit of dust and dirt.
다 남지 참여 다 카라금 중 남지 참여에 인도산 되게 대화기 드네 네 코고요는 그응하고요 하고민도 드네 인도산에 드네 네 코고요는 그응하고요 하고민 드네 인사 네 드네 삼다는 네 드네 삼다네 마고바 루스도스 드네 다 저랑게 Uma Pusha chatted, Tata Churang Pusha, Chaniga Ma, Kin Loss.
And so the tea seller asked Karab Gomchung, why didn't you drink the tea that I offered you? And Karab Gomchung said, well, it's unknown when we will die, and so I wasn't sure whether I was going to end up boiling the tea or if the tea would end up boiling me. And so thinking in that way, I just didn't brew it and didn't take it, and it's left over. So now why don't you just take that brick that you gave me before and your new brick of tea and take them both and go?
And Anna Shinki Natural Jubaguni Lugujiara Jubaguni the Tingilia Zangwa Disigi Geta Zangwa Disis at the Kubdusane Purg Uzangi Gevore Uzangi Gevo Zangwa Disi Geta. I go Chimes.
There is also a story of the great yogin Drupakune, who one time was summoned by the king of Utsang, Sangdesi.
Da zangba disi chene da de zhong de chasang xie dong da gan da ya zangba disi de Drupakune le ya teba gen da gen wone zhudo jiren dos 제가 드린 계란배 가래 얘기 저간나로 스토리지 난데서나 팬 계란 가래 툴이 녀버지도다 디 계란가 난 현으로 지스슈브레스 안 되는다 그 망보심이 저간데 저간 가시나 다르 그신경가는 저간 가시나 세다 의경 저간 가시나 무딕들 무치라서 나 망보도 다 이제 감직 나올라 다네 이때네 주루당 스당 근데 망보이 되는데도 근데 코란 촉세지 근데 골코메 있어 류르코메 코란 촉세지 자 코란 거다 망보 맞지 코란 권도고 말아 코란기 수부기 누가说的 weight 코란기 가서 짜투는 거지 근데 지금 골코메 있어
So it's a long story, but the main point here is that Sangpa Desi said felt great faith for Drupa Kunle, and he said, "You can take whatever you want from my storehouses and treasuries. Whatever you want, I will. You just go and you take a look and you pick it, and I will give it to you." And so they went and looked, and in some of them there were all sorts of silks and cloths. Some were filled with gold and silver, some with pearls and jewels. And in one there was a box that was filled with coral and other precious stones. And so Drupa Kunle said that he would just take however much he could carry. And he would just carry it himself, wear it on his head.
양도만으로 뒤지 된다는 시에지 잡여서 샤브run으로 잡대. 다마르 뉴스안에 아니 공기 저기 그런데 상물 파트에 상부기고 상부기고 파트. 파트 뉴스안에 상부기고 다디 다디 문에 셰로치스다. 니 표시 개인지 민지 셰로치스. 아 슈브레스 주두산에 아니 그러고는 다 리신이 네 그만이스다. 내가 질 그만이스. 다 다도는 결혼하게 그야요 말았어. 아들이 인도산에 드니 다 디스온스다. 딱보다 결혼 코란 인비케서로 봐. 이내다 리시밍에 거메스. 다도 결혼하고 그야요 말았어. 아들이 인도산에 다 디스온스 제제 공마시.
And so Drupa Kunle wore these jewels, and he walked up and down, he strutted up and down. He probably sang some songs or did some dance or something, and then he went to give all of everything that he had taken back to the king. And the king said to him, "Please, I've given all of these, I've offered all of them, these to you. You must accept them." And Drupa Kunle said, I've taken them, I've done what I've needed with them, I wore them, it was fine, and now I don't need them anymore, so it's fine, so you can take them back. And in brief, he did not accept them.
Okay, no problem. 다들이 뉴스단에 어디 진짜가 돈다 되는 상황으로지 치워미다바 투기를 준비해 다는데 이번에 다이면은 안 소리야 차츠베이미나 베네지 돌아지 겸비네 그래지 겸비네야 경기에 와서 문제바 대 돌아도 야하로 되지 않고 세이나 서규에 베미죠 세 신바 좋아체 되는 사고 꼼 통규에 베게 미셔봐 되네 이제 딱 간다고 가서 잘라서 봐 단진식 거 봐. nor 태도 내급 temporary 놀라 내급 놀라 주기에 미셔봐 미럽네 미럽 다든지 가르쳐지 미럽네 미럽라 저 소수에게 로마당 다네 소수 미규라 셔규에 가지고 봐 다나신게 내가 제외게 안 미셔봐 가르쳐야 다 말해다 드네 인도산 다 추합니다 최이 냠렌데 솔리미나 제간 뚜블라 마제간 뚜바사므네 제간 쇼라 마제바 쇼건다고 제네 재난도 마재난 그 노 삼버지 드리 뉴스안에 드리 그 토안에 쳐줘야지 요 말았어 주단지 요 말았어 루후디 그런 지대 선들려야 되려 인도산에 근데 드리 루후 가르쳐 선들 때바 가사지 쳐주단지 요 말았어
So all of these are signs of the meditation on death and impermanence, but we aren't like that. If we, with clothing, we're not satisfied with just something having something to wear, but we want the best, the finest clothes. With food, we aren't satisfied with just having something to eat. We want to have the tastiest and the best. With something to drink, we aren't satisfied with something that just slakes our thirst. Instead, we want to have the most expensive tea or whatever. And so, with jewels, we don't think that we're just going to have them for
jewels
with our possessions and our wealth. We don't think of them as just being something that we're going to use for a short time. Instead, we expect them to be something that will stay in our family from generation to generation, and we plan for them staying for generation to generation. But when it comes to practicing the Dharma and thinking about death and impermanence, it's as if you do some, it's okay. If you don't do some, it's okay. It's as if it doesn't really matter to us. And if we try to do it in that way, actually accomplishing any Dharma there's no way that can happen. The aims that we have inside, the aims we keep inside of our heart are the aims of this life. And when we have that sort of an aim, then it's very difficult for us to actually practice the Dharma.
Milam Zidana, Sendiveg, Milam Jangan, Dandian. Nimaninga, Sobar, so Dembaran, Dusak, Wanda, Milam Nestatamdo. Nimachi, Gilia, Dwaji, Sendiveg, Chawaru, Karmakashing, and this Druyan, that they would Milam Nantani. That day, Karazan, Tada Karazana, Susugi, Lodi, Senadando, Lufudi, send the village of Indusan, Milam Nangle, Milam Sunjana, the Milam Nantani. That was in Roding, legal leading in, your human you said, the Milam time. The Indusan Tigus and Dene, Takandra, Kashweji, Nanget.
Even in our dreams, we only dream about the affairs of this life. We might spend the entire day doing a puja and reciting texts, but in the evening, we don't dream of that. On another day, if we do even just a few minutes doing something for this life, then at night we dream about it. And this is a sign that in our deepest wishes and our innermost thoughts, we're really thinking only about this life. And because of that, it comes up in our dreams. We think about what we did or how we've done it, and these are what come up in our dreams.
That's a name. That's a name, careers, huh? Yeah. The name, Taba Commandum G, the tea, soon on careers, huh? Azuji, Lunga Chawa, Chitaji, Gesi Shevi Nanda, Luigi Chawa Cheva. Luigi, Carson, Dundula Soviet, Mazuela Soviet, that Jelam, Tana Singi, Yigi, Nando, you are Sunje, that Lunga is Jita Jichiba in Adela, Sendi, in Denangi, Jidin Chicket and Redum, Agriver. Garage Gina, Tana, Garage Gina, Dil Carswati, and Jidin Chicket and Redum, 다는 빠지세네 디지딘 추기는 데도 다오르 드니 순 다긴 마 대체니 다디주 파세수세 녜는 거라 최 지냠네 지에 베기저레다 신다 파샤 디준 주도 젤람 탐에베 디수도 파샤 오늘들 다 최제인선 다 간다 거를 민들 최제베 인선 다 넘바도 되 칸되게 저렇지 대코랑 되네 최 로먼도 티즘도 사디아레 빠서 유디도 최레메 그 삼도지 파세수 되네 인두산에 다 가서 다탄 다시 빠사 게라칭야도 지딘 최기는 되는데 만드는 다 게는 봐 요샤스 되레 봐 최체 아주 배나 나지 냠돈 저 가르래 최 순수의 년배체도 냠돈 좀마 야나 담배 취기 주는 제배체도 냠돈 좀마 야나지 가르래지 너번도야 초 쳐라 근데 제도 냠돈 좀마 근데 qab려야 아주 최대 이듬이 다그래서 가라상 아주 최치기 민디 최치기였어 봐 민디 최치기였어 민 다사의 인두산에 대최대 이듬이 다고라 마더베 민 최체의 스타샤와 대코랑 지대 최게 최만인 차소나 아주 미즈쳐라 뒤주쳐라 다 현다도 빠사 디걸 다 데즈지 고향으로 전화다고 이제 주의는데 쭉샤나 쭉 오면도 그런 렌로어다 오토매틱 렌로어 다 이내 안다 간다 디걸이야 아니 지다 지잖아 다지 가서 지대 추기 왕도 손나야 다 오즈 섬으로 오즈 시라 it's fine not a big problem so that big problem today you stand the digit something what they catch me Israel
in the words or the instructions left by the great masters of the past, it says, whatever we do with our body, speech, and mind, that is, with our body, whether we're standing, sitting, or whatever, with our speech, however, speaking or talking, with our mind, whatever thoughts we're having, we need to examine whether these are enmeshed with the thoughts of this life, with the 8 worldly concerns. It's said that even if we are tying our belt, we should see, is this connected to the 8 worldly concerns or not? If we're eating tsampa in the morning, we should see, is this related to the 8 worldly concerns? But I think about this, actually when I think about this, actually we need to be mostly careful about our Dharma practice. And so, because we say, I'm doing Dharma practice, and it's got this name of Dharma practice. We might be having a puja or gathering to do this, and we have to see, is that itself, is that really the Dharma practice, or is it not? If we're just eating tsampa or something, then it's not that big a deal. If we're eating because eating tsampa, it doesn't really matter whether it's one of the 8 worldly dharmas or not. But when we are doing dharma practice, whether we're gathering to listen to teachings, whether we're gathering for a discussion, or we've all come together for a puja to recite some liturgy, or whether we're having debates, at that point, we really need to look and see whether that is really becoming the dharma or not. Because we've given it the name Dharma. We're calling it the name Dharma. And so we have to see whether it actually is the Dharma or is not actually the Dharma. And because if it is not Dharma, we may be calling it the Dharma, but if it is mixed with the 8 worldly concerns, then it really is just something that we're doing for the purposes of this life. And so for other things, such as tying a belt or eating tsampa or something, then they just automatically will become worldly. And so it's not that important. Maybe it's okay if those are... Maybe it's okay if those are mixed with the 8 worldly dharmas, are not so bad. But it's important that we think about this for the Dharma.
단도는 지된 최계 사대 다고 가수에 최계를 까나 차수면 알아서 지스도야 지된 최계 까버지다 나버지다 차차지 수면 알아서 지된 최계 까버도 살내 제수스 맞을 요런동 지시야 나보디 방고를 지스도야 아차다 다간시 다간다 지된 최계 스두산에 지人对不了高的卖不了没高了手他这些 지당 때문에 가마가 좀 시도 저기는 겁들이야 extreme somewhere 하장 현체네 단도랑 예 남주 가르치다 간들 통고 알았잖아 물론나시 물론 믹매버나시 믹매베 제보체 somewhere 믹매베기 가서 복선 흉기는 신들지 다 믹매게 복선 흉기인바 흉니 전부 예대 믹여만다 되는 산 딱그 관심하고야 만 되는 신 나저个 랑도르 내디 내가데 마통시 nd가지 가르르지 심 가르르 셴바 코네 왕 셴밤 nd바 코네 왕도 파 당샤 마도베기 텔레야지 링이게 딱제는 쳔 ndi 링도 ndi 년도 삼바로 근데 링이게 딱제 가 맞습세 믹좀니 아니 무조슈되는 신 다 되지기 가수 차디도 그래서 내 인도산에 다 뒤능수의 단계 공식원의 신래 뒤능수의 아니 신앙상 시작도 배나 안한수디 가르사디 TV 진대나로 캡라던 주상 뭐 바바들이 캡라던 것도 그냥 바바들이 캡라던 게 돈 바바 캡라던 주산 가르치고도 사나 미지 바바지 쉔지 둘러 나고서 그 미시 나고지 선글라스 니메 미시들 나고서 제제 근데 레용도 비네서 남관은 풀니 냠단 레 호브드 톤드산은 다지 간소로 다지 바바 나가 불면 가서 하고다 냠다지 그 점자서 다이면 대 팀만 보다 쓰듯사네 다 소소이네 인접 쇼네 나 바바한테 쉐 돌아나버스 그 미시나고 그 디제네 냠다네 가르쳐지 우단데 다타니 지 로난 조주주나 소사지 소소디 인파 나들이 다디 디주산 미롱도다 미롱네 당부 공위니 덴바만이 바하 고기라 드네 셴베왕기 소소딜베 인슈사나다 드르차 어다 딘데 소르지 안조 제 가수에다 가르 셴바 타고 쓰는 단도 다는 셴바 템보 챈들에 셴바 타고 셴바 템보로 들지요 데빈두산 엔 티기 왕 치네 다 간다 데 링이 남주 토네 제 링이 잔 야와 마시 근데 요는 봐 데데 지겨 말았어 내가 저 데를 지면로 선선하지 데를 비슷도 신다다 미세 Arya Kshema.
Actually, when we talk about the 8 worldly concerns, there are what we call the positive and the negative, and then the mixed 8 worldly concerns. The positive ones are like the 8 worldly concerns within the beings of bodhisattvas residing on the bodhisattva levels. It's the negative ones, the black ones, that we need to eliminate. But with the 8 worldly concerns, this is basically being pleased at being praised, being displeased at being criticized, and so forth. But here, the really important thing is it's the extreme ones. It's when we have great attachment or great fixation. So I often sort of think about this. It's like a blind boxer. So a boxer with no eyes may be incredibly strong, very strong, but he has no idea who he's going to hit when he throws a punch or where it will strike. Similarly, we do not really see the main points of what we need to take up and what we need to give up. We go under the power of our fixations, under the power of our desires. And so for that reason, we have no discernment of what is good and what is bad. It's as if we are going around with our eyes closed, or with our eyes closed, as if we were going around in the dark. As I said before, this is actually a very scary sort of situation. One example is like when we see TV ads. When you see an ad on TV, like I've seen one about an advertisement for a motorcycle, and what happens in the ad is that there is this big guy wearing black clothes and a black helmet and black sunglasses riding this motorcycle, and he comes into the screen flying through the sky. And when you first see it the first time, you think, motorcycles can't fly, it can't be like that. And then you see it again, and then you start to fantasize about it. It's like, maybe I should start wearing black and put on black sunglasses and wear this big black motorcycle. I could maybe fantasize about flying through the sky. And so in this way, it's like we've gone blind through this, because we have at first we know that it's not a true situation, and yet then later we begin to really fantasize about this. This is a sign of our fixation as being too solidified, as being too hard and solid. And because of that, we fall under their power. And since we fall under the power of such strong, such solidified fixations, then we no longer have any discernment of what is good or what is bad, or what is good and what is bad, and what we should or should not do. And so, for the time being, what is most important is that we do not fall under that power.